In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use the Instagram story voice changer. So let's get started right away. And as always, make sure you have the latest version of Instagram, or else it might not show up for you. So let's add something to our story. So just click on the plus icon and then click on story. And if we just go to our effects, on the right, you can see a couple or like a lot of effects. And for me, the voice changer is automatically right here. For some people, it might already show up like right there. You just have to search through all these effects. And for me, it will, it showed up right here. If it does not show up at in any of these effects, what you want to do is scroll all the way down to the right and then go to the effect gallery. And here you can use effects that people have made or that Instagram has made. So you can go to the search bar and search for voice changer. And if you scroll a bit down, maybe it's voice effect actually. Yeah, it's voice effect. And then the bottom one, like the it says by Instagram, so use that one, and then you can just click on try it, and then it will also appear right there. And here you can choose 5 different voice effects, and you can just record just like this, and then your voice will sound like that voice effect. So yeah, that's basically it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.